I'm Sam, and my job includes communicating with clients to set up a complete scope of work for their project, ultimately ensuring that the team launches their project seamlessly.
Hi, I'm Michelle. I manage everything from accounting and finances to branding and marketing. That means helping with brand, web design, and online presence to making sure everyone gets paid.
I'm Isaac. My responsibilities include communication with homeowners, coordinating daily logistics, and time management. If you see a happy client, my job was well done.
I'm Aaron. I support the managers by providing assistance with equipment and material, tying up all loose ends.
I'm Mike. I make sure that all the clients' needs are met and overall quality control is kept. That way the project is completed according to your vision.
I'm David, the founder of DCON Renovations. I oversee all logistics on a daily basis. My key focus is for each of my employees to be working their ideal environment, especially for the benefit of the project. That means I don't sleep until everyone is happy.
Hi, I am Morty. I am the data supervisor and system developer, providing creative solutions so when you launch your project, everything is in place.